Okay guys, Dylan DeFazio here with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Stripe button. Now this is a very simple button, and the main goal of it is to keep it simple. Okay, I want people to be able to go through and pay their admin fees within minutes. Okay, it takes about 3 minutes from my calculations, from my emails that are coming through, right, for somebody to pay their admin fee and to pay me my $200 commissions, and then for me to activate their account. So to set this up, it's very simple. All you need to do is make sure you have a Stripe account. Okay, so we're gonna make sure you have your Stripe account, and then all you want to do is go to buynowplus.com. okay, buynowplus.com, and then when you log in, right, when you go to log in, it's going to ask you to log in with your Stripe, and then it's going to bring you to a back office that looks like this. Okay, now we're going to click on add new, and then I'm going to click on edit. We're going to go on to advanced, and then I want you guys to copy this exactly, but obviously you're going to want to change out your name where it says my name. So you're going to want to put your email address in there. Okay, you can leave all of this the same. You just want to change out your email address, and then you want to change out where it says my name, and you want to put your name. So pause this video, copy this exactly, right, and then you want to scroll down here. You want to make sure that you put the name is checked off. Now you can put required if you want, but it doesn't really matter. And then the button text I say is click here to upgrade. Now this is a sneaky little feature that I like to do because I want people to connect with me. So I put my Facebook profile, so when somebody actually goes through and they pay, right, they get redirected over to my profile and they can actually message me right then and there. So once you've got that all set up, you're going to click on update. For me, I'm just going to cancel it. Then once you have your button live, you can actually click this little eye to view it, right? And what you want to do is you just want to make sure that it looks like this. Okay, you want to make sure that it looks very clean, right? They have their first, their last name, their email address, their credit card. It's very simple, right? People have a short attention span. They want something that's easy. They want something that they know, okay, I went through and I signed up and paid the $200 and it only took me less than 5 minutes. Right? That means somebody else can go through, right, and pay me $200 in less than 5 minutes. That's my mindset when I'm going through it. So you want to make it simple, and this is very simple. So copy this, right? Once you have it all set up, what you want to do is click on share, and then you just want to see where it says website embed code. You want to click on copy, right? You're going to copy this. You can actually double click it, and I like to right click and copy. Okay, I want to make sure that that's copied. We're going to go into our Press One Cash back office, and then literally this is the only thing that I have in the box. Okay, so delete everything in the box and just paste that code, then click on update changes. Okay, once you've updated changes, you should see this button below here where it says click here to upgrade. What you want to do is you want to click this button, and you want to make sure that when you click it, it goes to your payment page. If it goes to your payment page, congratulations, you're now set up to earn $200 instant commissions. Okay, so now that you have that set up, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your Frank Calabro Jr. Press One Cash success system set up. Okay, if you guys want to set it up, right, you can go to Press One SP. Look at this domain up in the top corner here, and then just click on continue. Okay, once you click on continue, you want to make sure you go through the 4 steps. All right, so make sure, go ahead and do that now. Set your buy now button up, and I'll see you guys in the next training. All right, below this video I'll show you guys how to set up your chatbot. This is a very nice way to actually warm your traffic up before you send them to your system. Okay, this is going to allow you, let me just open up my growth tools here. So as you guys see here, my Press One Cash daily bot has a 100% open rate, and it has an 88% click-through rate. But the power comes into play when you can actually go through, and I can open up my inbox, and when somebody actually goes through and joins Press 1 Cash, check this out. So somebody goes through, joins Press 1 Cash, their name is already in my inbox. So we scroll down here, let me just use this. So Chris Kerr and Grace, for example, right? If I go here, check this out. So Grace, she hasn't seen my message yet because it's late, but she's in my inbox, and then Chris Kerr is in my inbox. So they've created their free accounts. They're already, 50% of the way there. We just got to get them upgraded, and thanks to the chatbot, I have them in my messenger, and I can send them income proof, I can send them messages, they can directly message me. Okay, so that is very powerful, and that's why in the next training I'm going to show you guys how to set up the chatbot. Okay, so go ahead, set your payment button up, and I'll see you guys in the next training.